Cash App, banking app, or wannabe? Let's settle this. Ever since digital wallets and money transfer apps exploded onto the scene, a question has lingered: are these services actually banks? Let's face it, with Cash App, you can send and receive money, get a debit card, make direct deposits. It starts to feel pretty bank-like. But is it? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep to understand what kind of banking Cash App offers and if it can truly replace your traditional bank. The traditional bank, a mighty fortress. Think back to the classic bank, a grand building, a vault door sealing away your valuables. Traditional banks are bastions of security, federally insured by the FDIC, and offer a wide range of financial products, checking and savings accounts, loans, mortgages, and more. They're the established players, the financial fortresses we've come to rely on. Cash App, the agile challenger. Cash App, on the other hand, feels more like a financial adventurer. It's a mobile app, sleek and user-friendly. It lets you send money to friends with a tap, invest in stocks with your spare change, and even get a free debit card. Cash App is all about speed, convenience, and a focus on everyday financial tasks. So, Cash App, bank or not bank? Here's the truth bomb: Cash App isn't actually a bank. It's a financial services platform that partners with real banks to offer certain features. Confusing, right? Let's unpack this. Behind the Cash App curtain, the banking partnerships. When you use Cash App, your money isn't actually sitting in Cash App's vault, because they don't have one. It's held securely by their partner banks, like Sutton Bank for your Cash App card and Lincoln Savings Bank for direct deposits. These partner banks are the ones with the FDIC insurance, ensuring your funds are protected up to a certain limit. What this means for you, the Cash App banking experience. Cash App offers a subset of banking features. You can't deposit checks, get cashier's checks, or open a safety deposit box. But for everyday transactions, it can be a powerful tool. Here's a breakdown. Sending and receiving money, Cash App shines here. It's fast, free for most transactions, except for instant deposits, and all you need is a phone number or email address. Cash App Card, this free, customizable debit card lets you spend your Cash App balance anywhere Visa is accepted. Direct deposit, get your paycheck or other deposits directly into your Cash App for easy access. Cash App versus traditional banks, picking your champion. Ultimately, the choice depends on your needs. Here's a quick comparison. Traditional banks, ideal for those who need a full suite of banking services, security is paramount, and prefer in-person interaction. Cash App, perfect for everyday transactions, those who value speed and convenience, and want a mobile-centric financial experience. Cash App, a stepping stone or a standalone solution. Cash App can be a great complement to your traditional bank. Use it for everyday spending and quick transfers, while keeping your savings and important documents secure with your established bank. However, if your financial needs are more complex, Cash App might not be enough. The final verdict: it's all about your financial journey. Cash App isn't a replacement for a traditional bank, but it's a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. Whether you're a digital nomad or a budget-conscious millennial, Cash App offers a convenient and accessible way to manage your everyday finances. Remember, the best banking solution is the one that fits your unique financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.